Good morning and welcome back. So here we are in Austria. That's the chalet behind me. Behind me are the mountains. Last night we all got in, settled in, had a shower, went for a few drinks, something to eat. It's brilliant here, absolutely fantastic area, but it's not just about the location, it's about the company. The Band of Brothers and Sisters 2025. Last night was a hoofing night. Some of us have never met before, so it's getting to know each other. And today the plan is to go for a ride out at about 1400. And right now I'm going to show you around the chalet. So this is the entrance to the chalet. Come in here into the lobby. Male and female heads. Stairs to all the bedrooms. Reception. There's nobody here because we're running the place by ourselves. This is the dining room. This looks like some sort of party room. Back round here. Bit of a chill out room. Back round here, and this is the galley. Look at the size of this. Proper commercial galley. We won't use it to anywhere near its full capacity, but we will use it. So that's a quick tour of the chalet. So let me show you some of the bikes that we rode up in. Triumph, Victory, beautiful bike, Harley Davidson, Kawasaki, my little Trident, which did alright for a little inline 660. And it's not designed for this kind of thing, but it held its own. And the only problem was I got a little bit of fuel anxiety because it's only got a 14 litre tank, which is tiny compared to some of these bikes. We got a BMW R75, little classic there, Honda Goldwing, Yamaha FJR, a little gorilla bike that was in the back of his car. He did actually ride that all the way to Austria, but he's going to ride it around here. Another Triumph, Honda Africa Twin, BMW GS, another GS, Triumph, Honda Rebel 1100, and another GS. And then coming over to this side, we've got a GS, a Harley, BMW, another Harley, and if you look at the ground there, it looks like a huge oil stain, but apparently that was there before we got here. Honda, another Honda, GS, and an Indian. So if my wife is watching this and she's thinking what to get me for Christmas, here it is. That will do nicely. Triumph, another Triumph, and finally another Triumph. So there you go, a diverse range of machinery that we rode to Austria, and yesterday was quite a fast-paced ride, and we managed to get a few comfort breaks in, which is really important because we are men of a certain age. And in fact, the last discussion I had on the ferry at breakfast was what medications everybody was on and the size of our prostates. So every comfort break was really welcomed. Okay, change of plan. Instead of going on a ride out at 1400, I'm just going to take a bimbo down to the shops, get myself some victuals, get myself some Dolby gear that I need, and then I'm going to come back here, enjoy the weather, the sunshine, and just chill out for the day. Okay, we're out on the bikes for a small bimbo. Just been to the supermarket just to get some bits and bobs. Now we're riding back to the chalet. Austria is absolutely beautiful, an amazing place. People are lovely, scenery is amazing. I mean, look at this house, it looks like some kind of medieval castle, surrounded by huge mountains. Incredible. Look at this scenery, absolutely amazing, brilliant place to be, brilliant company, on a bike, in this weather. Apparently the weather's going to break tomorrow and it's going to pee down. But hey, I'm Scottish, we're used to the rain. I think we invented it. I might be wrong, that might be the telephone. But anyway, we invented some sort of stuff. And here we are, home sweet home.
Bar. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Fit like whiskey.
Good run.
Oh, aye.
Yeah. A brilliant day.
Do you want me to drop in trolleys?
No.
Okay.
Go! Fucking hell! Yes!
You're done!
You can't see me, I'm a sniper!
Watch his ball!
Have you got on with the thing?
Fucking brilliant.
Yeah.
Anyway. Yes.
Get a quick beer.
Yeah.
Quick beer.
I'll just turn around and say
Oh my god!
for the Falklands
Falklands
veterans.
Stars.
I've been fucking roasting. Sorry, I shouldn't say. I've been hot as hell.
I've got
for all those that passed, I wore it to respect them. Even in the heat.
Comradeship and
Comradeship.
respect, exactly, darling.
And you are on HMS Plymouth down south, weren't you, mate? Yeah.
I was on the Plymouth.
Yeah.
We've lost people who've topped themselves, we've lost people who've drunk themselves to death.
And today we've had a great
To
chat.
them, we've had a
catching up,
great
haven't we?
day.
Yeah.
And this
Certain
band
things.
of brothers and sisters means so much to me. It helps me a lot. Thanks, mate.